Today we are going to make some birds with these circles. But how? I am going to cut the circle in the middle, like that. And this is going to be a big bird. Another one. Another one. So we have 3 birds. Like that. First, we are going to stick them with glue. 1, 2, and 3. So this is the body. I am going to draw the eyes. The beak. And the legs. Maybe we can draw some feathers. Look at the birds. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, little bird.